Hey guys, Caroline here. Today is 30th of September 2019 and I've got another update on my trading. I'm up to 150 races. I'm actually still trading today, so I've kind of split out my stats here once I reached 150, but I'm still going. Now, I'm sure you'll notice this little note here that says new technique and then profit, 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 profit. Quite significant profits compared to what I've done so far, going all the way through September. So I'm now in profit overall, and that's all come from the last few days. So if you've been following along from the start of the channel, you'll know that I have been studying a course called BF Scalper. That's what I've been learning from. Now, what that course teaches is a basic scalping technique where you place a single trade in the market and you try to time that trade at a point at which you believe the price is just about to move down. You place your back bet first, and then once it's taken, you follow it up with a lay bet, which should be at a price 1 or 2 ticks below where you placed your back bet. And then you can repeat that for as long as the opportunities present themselves. Now, the problem I was having was that I couldn't seem to time it correctly. You know, very often I'd go in, I think, yeah, the price is moving. I place the trade and it goes against me and the price goes up instead of going down. So I tried various things. Sometimes I placed a stop loss, so if it would go above by a couple of ticks, it would immediately cancel out at a loss. Other times I'd kind of let it ride and I'd just hope it would come back. But basically, as you can see, you know, over the past month I've been floundering with this technique. So I've been basically just experimenting, kind of on my own, but kind of based on what I've been learning. This is one of the beauties of using practice mode on BetAngel, is it allows me to just try things, and if it all goes horribly wrong, doesn't matter. But so far what I've been trying has been working. So what I'm doing is, it's kind of hard to explain. I'm not going to try to explain it. Instead, what I've done today is I've recorded 3, maybe even 4 videos. Now, I haven't talked on them because I find that when I'm trading, it's very difficult to concentrate and try to sort of narrate at the same time. So I've recorded about 3 or 4 trades. I'm going to put them together into one single video, and then maybe I'll kind of put an audio over the top to kind of sort of try to explain what I'm doing. But one thing I want to emphasize here is that with this channel, certainly at this stage, I'm learning. I'm not trying to teach anything. I'm just showing you what I'm doing and what's happening. So I'm certainly very pleased with how it's gone over this last block of 50. So I will continue using this technique. Now, one thing also I should mention is that it's much riskier than doing a single scalp. What I'm doing is I'm putting possibly multiple trades into the market. Very often even though I'm trading on the downward price, I'm quite often trading as the price goes up, making the assumption it's going to come back down again. And if it does not recover, if that price doesn't recover, I could stand to lose a lot of money. And in fact, I did on a few of them. This day here, you can't really see it, but there was one trade here where I lost nearly £7 on that particular race. I've had some others. Are there any losses? There's got to be a loss in here some. Oh, it's the very first one's only 37p. What about here? Oh no, that's 100%. Oh no, that's today, 100%. But I have had some losses doing this. So I'll continue with it. I'm going to put up another video later on today. Once I'm still in the middle of trading at the moment. I'm just kind of waiting for the next race to get closer to the off, starting in 14 minutes. So I just thought I'd do this one quickly, and then I'm going to post another video. The reason why I haven't shown any trading videos in the last week is because I was changing things up, and I thought, oh, I don't know whether to post it. So I wanted to kind of test it out a little bit. So as you can see, I've tested this for 3 days now. I've done sort of 28 races. So yes, I'll shut up now. Thanks very much for watching, and look out for the next video.